Hello, everyone. Welcome to the live broadcast of King Car HHO carbon cleaner machine. I am Julia, and you can see that I'm not in the office today.
Hello. Welcome to our live broadcast show.
Hello. I'm actually at the factory of our King Car Eco Technologies, and I'm here with my own car. This is a Nissan Tida. I've been driving it for maybe 8 to 10 years, and about 2 months ago, I had a regular maintenance. I changed the lubricant, the AC filter, and checked the brake, etc. It's just a regular car. So now please come with me and see the inside. I'm going to show the mileage of my car, and maybe then I'm going to have it serviced with our own carbon cleaner machine. So I'm here to show you the mileage first. So can you see? So you can see the mileage here. It says 123,236 meters. So this is my mileage of my car. Like I said, I've been driving it, and I've always had regular maintenance. But about 2 years ago, I went traveling. I had a road trip to. Now I'm going to open the hood. Later we're going to test the engine. So about 2 years ago, I had a road trip to a Tibetan plateau, and since I came back, the noise level of my cars had some abnormal noise, and the power acceleration is not as efficient as before. So first, I'm going to. Then I'm going to introduce to you I'm working with our technician. Can you come here? So this is our chief technician, the engineer Xie. So today I'm going to work with him. Can you say hello? Okay, so can you help me open this hood? Here. Yes. Here. So this is a Nissan car, and this is the engine. And first, I'm going to test using the noise meter to test the noise level of it now. Can you 可以帮我这个怎么玩? So this is the noise meter. You can see the microphone here. Then I'm going to place it alongside my engine and to see the test level. And this is very sensitive. So if I cough now. You can see it changes. So later when it's there, I'm going to be very quiet. Okay, so now you can see that it's about, so I was speaking, so the level where I was quiet, it was 78 dB or 79, around this number. So my colleague is writing that down, and later after the service, we're going to test the noise level again and compare it. So what's the next step? I'm going to...
Before the carbon cleaning service, the noise is 78 to 79. Let's after the carbon cleaning service, let's check the noise again.
Now I'm going to shut down the engine and show you how to connect it. Okay, so this is like a real service, and also we're going to show you how to demonstrate to you how to operate the machine as well. So now I've turned down the engine, and we're going to begin the process. So, Mr. Xie, thank you for helping me connect to the machine. 帮我粘一下。
首先你也长得这么好。
So this is the air intake, vacuum tube. We're going to disconnect it.
这是那个发动机，对，4个缸，然后这是4个进气管。
Oh, so this is a 4-cylinder engine, and it has air intake.
对，所以我们这个氢氧气的话，必须要跟着这个进气一起进入这个发动机。
Yes, our HHO gas has to be transferred into the cylinder and act with the oxygen and fuel and to crack the carbon deposit in the engine system. And sorry for the dirty car. It was rainy these 2 days and I haven't had chance to. Okay. So this is a soft tube that help us to connect this part with our spray nozzle. So this spray nozzle is the output of the HHO gas and our carbon cleaner agent. So can you show us how to disconnect it?
对，这个管子的话，我们一般发货都会有。
Yes, we're going to send it to the customer when we deliver the machine.
对，这个就是属于那个随机发货的那个配件都有。
Okay. So it's a accessory that goes with the machine.
然后我们这个可以把这个是调节这个出气的一个细跟粗。
Oh, so the spray nozzle has to be screwed open a little bit.
对，往这边顺时针调的话，它这个出气就更大一些。然后如果逆时针调的话，它就出气的话就会小。
So clockwise for more gas and.
对，一般还是调到最大。
So usually it's we screw it to the maximum output of the gas.
Hello, welcome. Hello, dear friends. Welcome to our live broadcast.
Okay, so screw, connect, and then we're going to add in our carbon cleaner agent. So remember the step: screw, connect, and add. Can you maybe we can come here to show where to add the. So you can see this is a carbon cleaner agent inlet. We're going to screw it open, and this is a small car, so we use 1 bottle of cleaner agent. Last time we explained this about this agent. It has.
Hello, welcome to our live broadcast. If you are interested in the machine, please leave your message to.
Okay, so can I screw it? So, like I said last time, we've had MSDS test report of this carbon cleaner agent, and it's non-flammable, non-corrosive, completely safe. So we've had it in a machine, and then we're going to turn on the machine. Okay, now remember when we connect, we had lose, connect, and add. Now we're going to turn on, and there's 3 things need to be on. First is the engine. My colleague is helping me turn on the engine of the car. Ooh. Now 3 ons. Engine on, switch on. We have a switch, Snyder switch, at the back of the machine, and I'm going to turn it on. Okay, now we're going to use the control panel here, and you can see there's the 3rd on here. We're going to turn it on. So 3 on, engine on, engine on, switch on, power on. And now our Mr. Xie is going to help us. So this is a card we use to activate the machine. Without the card, it cannot be started when we press the start button. Now it's on.
然后调节器呢？
Okay, so this is the gas output. It says here that we need to adjust the gas output according to the power, the power level of the car. So my car is 1.6. So Mr. C is going to have.
达到1300的样子就差不多。
So for 1,300 liter.
Hello, dear promote. Welcome to our live broadcast.
Yes. Okay. So when we turn on, we start. We adjust the gas output, and also you can see on the panel there's time here. For our, like my car is a small car, so we use 20 minutes is enough. And then we have to adjust. There's 3 adjusts: adjust the gas output, adjust the time, and adjust the flow of the carbon agent at the back. Can you come here?
Hello, dear Martin. Welcome to our live broadcast show. If you are interested in the machine, please leave the message to us. We'll contact you soon.
Hi. So now here. This is. Ooh.
而且这个纳米液。
So this is to adjust the flow of the speed of the nano agent. Now you can see the agent is going through these holes and entering the machine and working together with the HHO gas to enhance the carbon cleaning effect.
Hello, dear friend. Welcome to our broadcast show.
指一下这里，指一下这里，啊，指一下对，越近，快点，这里看到很明显。来说一下。
Okay, so you can see this nano agent. You can see it's transparent. Like I said, it's completely safe and it needs no chemical deposit in your engine. So it goes through these holes together with our HHO gas and goes into the cylinder to help the decarbonization. Now we're going to leave it. So this is how we operate. You can see it's fairly easy. We have 3. When we connect, there are 3 things we need to do. We need to loosen the spring nozzle. We need to connect, and then.
Hello, dear Winnie. Welcome to our live broadcast show.
Okay. So like I said, 3 things when we connect: loosen the nozzle, connect with this soft tube, and then add in the carbon agent. Okay, there's 3 ons. There's 3 ons. First, the engine on, then switch on, then power on. There's 3 adjusts. Adjust the time, 20 minutes for a small car and 40 minutes for heavier commercial vehicle like van, truck, buses, etc. And then adjust the gas output. So there's instruction here, instruction label. So if you don't remember, you can refer to it and adjust. My car is 1.6 liter, so we put 1,400, nearly 1,500 liter HHO gas per hour, and adjust the liquid. Now you can see it's slowing down. So this is how it operates, and we leave it operating, process the decarbonization, and for 20 minutes. So now we still have 15 minutes. Come with me to the factory. Now you can see this is a big factory, and it's just part of it. Where we place machines, and we have other offices in the area. But today we're going to look at this. And you can see besides the HHO carbon cleaner machine, we have DPF machine, car cleaning machine. So it's our company does many products for car care, many machines. So these machines here, they are ones they are waiting for to be inspected and tested before they before they're packed and delivered to our customers. And these machines are for Dominican Republic, for Mexico, and for Latvia. So also you can see on this side there are some already packed machines on the pallet. They are ready to be delivered. They are ready to be sent to the shipping agent. They are for Mexico. You can see there are 4 machines there for our Mexican distributor. Okay, so now maybe we can come back and look at the yes, you can see it's still working. You can see some liquid and it's coming out, and then after the service, we're going to see the results. You see if there's any carbon deposit coming out of this exhaust pipe. So this is the exhaust pipe. So now we're going to look at the machine. So we had different live shows. Do you remember the last time we had our live show was about the structure of the machine and also the safety devices of the machine. So I'm helping you to review it while it's running, while it's working with my car. So this is the IGBT power module.
Hello. Hello, dear citizens, welcome to our live broadcast show. Thanks for your recognition of our machine. Please leave the message to us. We'll send the message to you.
Okay. So you can see this battery. This battery unit is quite big because it's usually used for industrial applications. It's more stable. It minimizes the current distortion when it's working. So because of this, it produces more purer and more stable HHO carbon gas. Yes. So the most important part is this HHO generator. So it's a bit noisy here. I'm sorry, but don't stay away a bit from this fan. Usually it's covered by a plate. But now for you to see it working, now let me touch it. It's okay. It's about 38, not more than 40 degrees now. So you can see we have a very good heat dissipation system. First, the material of this tank is stainless steel 316. So it's even more durable and safer than stainless steel 314. And it's big, so the enlarged surface area helps with the dissipation of the heat. And you can see here these pipes are also made of stainless steel. There's 10 pipes here, and they are also for getting out of the heat. And so this fan that cools uses air to cool the tank. So we have different devices and mechanisms to support the heat. And also here you can see here there's a temperature sensor. So when the temperature of this tank, inner temperature, exceeds 85 degrees C, the machine will automatically stop working. So and also usually there's no extra air produced in the tank, but also we have 2 safety devices to make sure it's the air pressure is normal. Hello, we have visitors. Okay, so like I said, we manage the temperature, we manage the air pressure. So this is the air pressure sensor. So when the air pressure inside the tank is above 0.2 megapascals, it will give out warning and show on our control panel. On the other side, there is so can we move to the other side? So now you can see the carbon cleaner agent is still flowing into the engine to help with the cleaning. And our Mr. Xie is adjusting the flow to make sure it's working fine. And then you can see this side, this is the air pressure valve. So together with the air pressure sensor and air pressure valve, there's a double safety device for air pressure. We have triple safety device for heating and double safety device for air pressure. And when the gas is produced, it goes through this gas water separator. So the water is filtered inside, and HHO gas, pure HHO gas comes out of this separator and goes through this tube here. It's molecular filter, and it's more durable and it doesn't need replacing. And this final device here, this is called the wet anti-backfire device, and we have a utility patent for it. Do you remember last time I showed you the utility patent? So it's here as the rest assurance to make sure that it will not get backfire. And then since there's water inside, it cools the HHO gas and make it purer. Okay. So you can see it's still running, and we have the control panel here. So our machine is made of three major parts. The power unit, IGBT power unit, usually used for industrial applications. That's make it more stable and produce purer HHO gas. And we have the generator, which uses good material, high quality stainless steel 316, and all the material you can see. Although they are, it's not complicated, but it's good quality, made of good quality material, and it's make sure that it's safe. And also it has unique technology. We have a patented device to make sure it's safe, because HHO gas can be a little dangerous if you don't handle them properly. And one customer said to me that my machine is bigger than other machines on the market. Actually, this is because we have a better battery, a better generator tank. Yes, because so that it produces 2,000 liters HHO gas per hour. I think last time I saw, because our customer used to sell other machines of similar type, and the gas output is about 200. So our gas output is about 10 times of other models on the market. And to make sure that it can not only service cars, but also service commercial vehicles like vans, trucks, and buses. And also for this small car, the service time is shortened to 20 minutes. Okay, so we can say we have about 4 minutes, 4.5 minutes left. So I'm excited to see if it's better, if we can see visible cleaning result, and I feel better when driving it. like I said, this machine I've been driving for 8 to 10 years, and 2 years ago I had a road trip and to a high elevation area, Tibet. You know, it's the outskirts of Tibet.
Hello, dear friends. Welcome to our live broadcast about the price information. Please leave your email and your number to us. We will send to you soon.
Okay, so thank you to my colleague Lucky. Okay, so since then I've had a very I think the high elevation does some damage to my car. All my tires were very weary, so I changed tires, and there's some noise in my. Hello.
Hello, dear Jerry. Welcome to our live broadcast show.
Okay. Hi. So after that, I also hear some strange noise to my car.
Hello, dear Arcad. Welcome to our broadcast show.
Okay. And so when I heard the strange noise, and sometimes when I hit the acceleration pedal, the noise, there's a noise like air going through going through my engine. So I drove to the service store of Nissan and had the official engineer check, but they say it's okay, there's nothing. So but it works fine, although it has maybe a little bit higher fuel economy, and maybe the noise is there sometimes, but it's still functional well. So today I'm excited to see if this noise can go away after the service. Okay, so now let's okay, so you can see the tube. There's still carbon cleaner agent going through, although maybe only a little left. So also you can see this is really simple. You just need a mechanic to do it, and a trained operator, even if you are not a professional mechanic. Our service team, when you receive the machine, our service team will provide different training methods to you. First, we have video tutorials to show you how to operate it, and then we have one-on-one FaceTime service, a service instruction, so you can actually talk to our customer service staff, and they will help you handle any issues you have with operation, with cleaning bags, with all the things. So, see, okay, so 1 minute. Ooh, that's bad. Okay, so you can see. You can see this is the. So this is the water level.
Okay, during the service, our operator could do other jobs too, because the machine is very simple and it's automated. We do need to wait here all the time. When the service is over, it's finished, the machine will remind us.
Okay, so we're just waiting for the last 30 seconds to finish it. Okay, then we're going to run it idle for a few minutes, and I'm going to hit the acceleration pedal to push out the carbon deposit through the exhaust pipe. Okay. So it's going to stop in 4, 3, 2, 1. So this signal. So this signal shows that we're going to turn it off to stop the signal. We can still.
然后的话就等它运行一下，用个1分钟。
So we're waiting for the engine to continue running for about 1 minute.
对，因为这个里面可能还有一些剩余的气体，它没有吸入到没有跟着没进这个发动机，
Okay.
所以等它把这个剩余的最后面一点那个氢氧气，然后输送到这个发动机里面，然后再写。
Okay, so because we have stopped the machine, so the machine doesn't produce HHO gas now, but then there's some HHO gas still in the tank, and we are this 1 minute is for the remaining HHO gas in the tank to go through this hose to the engine to make sure it's safe. Oh, okay. And we have turned off this panel, and there's a switch behind the. We have turned it off. You can see the switch. Remember the 3 ons when we start the service. Engine on, the car engine on, switch on, then we turn it on, and the power on. Now when it's off, it's the same sequence. First, the machine power off, then the switch off, then 1 minute, we're going to turn the engine off. Okay, so Mr. Xie helped me turn my engine off, and it's going to. So we're going to restore the pipe to disconnect it.
Hello, Delta. Welcome to our live broadcast show. Please leave the message to us.
Okay, then we reconnected. Okay, so this is clamp used to check if it's connected. Okay, so this is engine cover.
Hello, dear Grovini. Welcome to our live broadcast show. Welcome to all the customers to our broadcast show, and please leave your message and your email information to us.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Xie. So, 那我们先是让他。
Hello.
We're going to turn on. Hi. We're going to turn on. We finished the 20 minutes decarbonizing process by our HHO carbon cleaner 6.0 with this machine and the HHO carbon cleaner agent. Now we've disconnected the machine and start the engine. So we'll let it run.
Hello. Good morning.
Okay. So we're going to test the noise level, and let's be quiet for 1 minute.
稍微会有一点点。就这样。
Okay. Okay. So you can see that the noise level is reduced, although not much, but you can hear from the noise that the breaking of the noise is different. So we're going to see, this is the exhaust pipe. We're going to see the carbon cleaner, it's carbon deposit coming out. And we're going to run the engine for a few minutes. Okay, so our engineer, Mr. Xie, is helping us to. So now, first the gas comes out with some
odor. So we can feel that the smell of carbon coming out of the exhaust pipe. Okay, there are some black water in the ground from the exhaust pipe, and the smell is not good. There the smell not good, and it's have a gasoline smell. Okay.
还要再走吧，我们先走。
Yes.
边走边讲话。
So this is the decarbonization process of the service. So first we connect the machine to our car. We lose, we connect, we add. Then we turn on the machine. There are three on.
试车，到车上去搞直播，走，去试。你说你来试驾一下，然后我开始来上车。我坐副驾驶啊，
My car.
我坐副驾驶啊。你讲一下你踩油门的感觉呀，对吧？好，说话呗，说你现在在
So
干嘛呀？
I'm here to drive the car and feel it feels if it's the same or different after the service.
前面那个管子离开了吗？
Okay.
好。
So first I'm going to. So you can see it's quite a short service. Okay. Let me see. So when I turn it on, usually it's had a little bit shake and louder noise, but now it's more quiet. It's quieter. So we're going to drive outside.
可以，开出去吗？开出去，等一下再开进来，走，没事。
So I'm waiting for for my cameraman to fasten the seatbelt. Let me help you. Okay.
Let's go.
Okay. So this is the outside of our factory. I'm going to go this way. So I'm going to heat the acceleration. Yes, the noise of the air. Like I said, when I hit the acceleration pedal, there was a noise of air going into the engine, something like that. And now let me try it again.
Oh. Oh.
Don't worry, I've been driving for 8-10 years, so very experienced driver I am.
Hello，欢迎新朋友进直播
Okay,
间。
so hello, we have a visitor. Okay, so but I'm driving, so maybe you can leave us a message. Because we've just had my car. Yes, I can feel it. It's smoother. It's the noise. Let me close the window.
Oh.
Yes, it's quieter.
我感觉这个车子抖动没那么厉害了。
Yes, and also when I hit the acceleration pedal, it feels okay. It's yes, still the noise of the engine, but that strange air sound went away.
有客户说 very good carbon cleaning machine.
Thank you.
Hi. Hello.
Hello.
Hello, my friend. Welcome.
Yes,
Welcome
I'm driving outside I'm just had my car serviced, and I'm driving around the factory to test the performance of the engine. Not only does it help boost the engine performance, like the rotation per minute here,
And also the acceleration, reduce the strange noise of the engine, but also by cleaning the, by decarbonizing the engine system, it's helped to extend the life of our engine, which is the most expensive part of our car. So I'm going to drive back to our factory where we, my colleagues were waiting for me. Oh, there's a pigeon there. Hello, pigeon, please go away. Okay. So, but this is you can see a narrow way outside the factory. So when I hit the road later, maybe I am going to test the accelerator pedal. I will step it harder to see if any noise come out.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm driving in. Yes, it's the strange noise went away.
Oh, okay.
Okay, I'm going to stop here. So thank you for joining me today in this live broadcast. Okay, be careful.
Okay. 好，我们回来了啊 ！Welcome back 啊 ！Welcome back.
How is the feeling? How is the feeling? Yes, it's this. I didn't know if you noticed. Hello.
Hello, dear listeners. Welcome to our live broadcast show. Dear friends, welcome. Thanks
Yes,
for
we
your
are.
recognition to our machine. Very good carbon cleaning machine.
Thank you, thank you for your support. Yes, I when I drove the car just then, I felt that the shaking went away, and the air, this noise went away. When I'm driving here, I drove with my colleagues, and maybe they have heard that noise too. Every time when
Hello, dear Jack. Welcome to our live broadcast.
Okay. So it feels lighter, the engine, and the yes, when the acceleration as it didn't accelerate much because this is a narrow street, but every time it hits the pedal, I felt that it didn't have that lag that I used to experience.
你就让他们来试嘛，到工厂来试
Okay,
嘛。
so if you are interested, you can come and to our factory, and maybe you can go to your nearest our distributor and have your car tested before you want to invest in this business. Okay, so
我记录一下，就收尾了。
Hello, thanks for all the customer to look our live broadcast. And if you have any question to our machine and our complaint, also could send the message to us.
okay. So some customer asked me whether if it's owning agent, a carbon cleaner agent used. Actually, we use water in this. There's this water inlet here, and you just add any water, tap water, distilled water, and you add water. Then there's on the control panel. Because we have a water level detector, it will show on this level that if it's over water, that means too much. Mid water means okay, and the lack of water meaning that you need to add more water in it. So what is the water use? The water use, any water, tap water coming out of your tap, and also distilled water. So but it's it had a slight difference in the effect. Okay, so this carbon cleaner agent, because mine is a small car, so I used only one bottle of carbon cleaner agent, and it's 68 milliliters. And for servicing heavier vehicles like vans, trucks, and buses, you need to use two bottles of cleaner agent. And last time in our office lab, we showed you the MSDS report of this carbon cleaner agent. It says that it's non-corrosive, non-flammable, completely safe. So don't worry, it will leave any chemical deposit in your engine or damage your engine. That won't happen. Okay, so thank you for coming with me, and I'm very happy to have my car serviced, and hope to see you again next time. And thanks for the help of my colleague, my engineer. Okay, so remember to contact us via this platform. You can leave us a message, or you can come to find our website, which is carboncleanermachine.com. Okay, so hope to receive questions and comments from you. Thank you.